lovelies, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing an update to my Seed University video. I think I titled it like My Inner Nerd is Alive or something like that. Yeah, I didn't realize how much time had passed that I didn't update you guys on the product at all. And I was noticing I was getting more questions on that video, especially in lore of it being on pre-order right now and about to be released hopefully in a few days. So I just wanted to come on, give you guys an update, answer those questions. I apologize for this video being later than expected, but just like I mentioned in that video, I didn't start taking these until pretty much the beginning of the year, so that kind of backlogged me. So if you want more information on what Seed Daily Synbiotic is, I will have this video linked in the cards and in the description. It gives you a full breakdown on the product and why I decided to start using it, and just the transparency, ingredients, all that. So definitely check out that video if you want a more in-depth more details basically of this product. For this video specifically, it's just going to be answering those questions and giving you guys my thoughts. Now, disclaimer, like I said in that video, the initial product and then one after were sent to me, one for testing, for photos, for just information. So part of all this is because I was sent the products, also because I started buying the products, I use the products. Yeah, so putting that out there. Also, another disclaimer, supplements are not a cure-all. I firmly believe that. I like that they can supplement things into your diet, into your just overall wellness, but they should not be seen as a fix. Overall, we want to be healthy human beings and then add on little things here and there to either help further along and or just assist. So yeah, so I have my questions all right here, so I'm just gonna be reading them off my phone and answering as I go. One question was, did I have regular bowel movements? Were they regular and more consistent? Right into it. Okay, gosh. So before I really started taking them, like again, I took them January, February, kind of fell off in March because that's when COVID happened and I lost all semblance of a schedule. Kind of got back in on in April or end of April through May, still on now, and I'm like down to like my last few pills, so I'm hoping that they restock soon. But did I have regular bowel movements? I will say yes. But even before then, like before I started taking them beginning of the year, I'll probably say so I was pretty consistent in what I was having as far as a schedule throughout the week. I will say, since I started taking them more often, or like actually every day when I'm supposed to, I have noticed that I have been a little bit more regular, consistent, like type of poo that we're talking about right here. I feel like that goes into the diet, because there are some days where yes, I was still having a bowel movement, but it may have looked different, and it just came down to what I was eating that day. So again, these aren't supposed to be a fix for anything. It's just adding on. So regular bowel movement, yes. I'm guessing you're asking were they consistent in like type? No, but that because of, again, diet. Next question. It says, yeah, I recently ordered on the website and I'm seeing that some people, after doing my own research, have a female and male version on the jar. Are the ingredients different between the sex? And mainly because my jar says neither. So back in either October or November, Seed sent out an email to all the university people that they were changing, well, I'm pretty sure they sent it to everyone, but they were changing not so much the formula, but they were combining the two products. So this is from the email that was sent. It says, to ensure clinical trials and future research that can be conducted in heterogeneous populations, we have unified our male and female formulations into a single unisex formulation comprised of 24 strains in the former female Daily Synbiotic. Whew, okay. Our previous male and female formulations share some almost identical strain lists and are safe to take for either sex, meaning if I were to take the male one, I would be perfectly fine, vice versa. The primary distance is the additional strain in the female formulation for dermatological health and folate production, while folate is commonly associated with fertility and pregnancy. It is actually an essential B vitamin that supports clinical functions in cellular health in all humans, and many of our male subscribers have also indicated interest in additional skin benefits. What this means, so if you are subscribed to the Daily Synbiotic female version, there is no change besides the product name. Male subscribers, we have replaced the 2 strains that were studied to be the male-only populations with an additional 6 strains and benefits of our dermatological health blend and our micronutrients synthesis blend. So basically, it's pretty much saying that they got rid of the male version and just straight up did the female version, called it Daily Synbiotic, because they found that the strains and ingredients they were using benefited both sex, so there was no point on separating the 2. So that is why when you first see my video, my first video, it has female on it. My one now says daily, if it zooms. Yeah, so like this one, this is the one they sent me right after. Again, I had the female version before, so nothing changed at all except the name. Yeah, I think more questions were along the line of how did you know this product really worked, and how you were you able to test between this and something else? Guys, no, I'm sorry. I don't have a true answer to that one, because again, supplements should not be a cure-all. They just shouldn't, and they are supplemented into your diet just to help. Plus, I take normally a multivitamin, the Daily Synbiotic, a omega. Do I take omega? Yeah, I take omega, and then some elderberry or astragalus root. So those are normally the supplements I take consistently. Granted, none of them really do something the other doesn't, but I don't want to come out and say, yes, this product did this, and this for me, because that's not how this works. Especially because it's an internal thing. You can't see that without testing. Now, I will say that since I've been taking these Daily Synbiotic consistently, I used to suffer from really bad bloating on a regular basis, and it has gone down tremendously. Now, that could also be because I am being a little bit more conscious about what I eat, but at the same time, I do acknowledge the fact that what changed in my day-to-day. So I still bloat. That definitely is still a thing, but it's just not as bad as it was before. I'm trying to think. I think one asked, how could you tell? If you're already having a pretty clean diet, a pretty good lifestyle, you might not notice a significant change in your body. I know when the first round that I started using these, I was pretty consistent with my workout. I was pretty much eating all the things I was supposed to eat and staying away from the bad. I didn't really notice that much of a difference. When I took a break, came back, and I was eating like crap and not really working out anymore, I noticed slight little changes here and there, but yeah, so that's not really how that goes. I'm sorry if that's what you were looking for, but I can't tell you that, oh, this specifically did this for me, because there are too many factors going into it. So do I think it's good? Yes. Will I continue to purchase it? Yes. I am about to actually put in my pre-order because I'm down to I have 3 days left worth of pills. So so if you are interested, I would say at least give 1 to 2 months a shot, just to see. If it's not for you, definitely go into something else. Again, I love this brand because they are so, one, informational. You heard what I read, it was just the email. That's not even including all the research they have on their website, but they are very transparent in their products and how they make their product, that I am on board for life. So that is one thing. I like using it. I noticed kind of de-bloating, so I'm there for it. Bowel movements are a little bit more regular, there for that. So yeah, I'm about to put in my pre-order. If you are interested in trying it, I will have the link down below. Also, just know, because they even sent this with it, if this is like your first time using like this type prebiotic, they say when you first start, probably take 1 a day for the first 3 days before you do the standard 2 pills a day. There was a period of time where I only took 1 pill a day for like the whole month, mainly because they sold out and I know I needed my supply to last, but I still felt fine. I mean, no significant change. They did also say though, if you weren't like used to taking anything like this, that you could experience some discomfort the first 2 weeks. Nothing like too bad, but you may not just feel the best. And they said that's to be expected first 2 weeks if you aren't, you know, already taking something, or it does have to work a little bit on you. So that is pretty much all I have. So yeah, I'll have that link down below. I do get commission off of it, just putting that out there. So if you want to use my link, cool, thank you. If not, no hard feelings. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you want more details on the benefit of Seed Daily Synbiotic and the breakdown of everything, definitely check out my first video. My inner nerd is alive. She's still alive, but she just has a little bit, she's a little bit more calm now. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions. This product, by the time this video comes out, it should be coming back into stock within the next week or so. Again, you can go ahead and pre-order to guarantee your jar, but that's totally up to you. I hope you guys are well, staying healthy mentally and physically, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.